Why timeouts don't work? Try this instead. Are you tired of timeouts that just don't seem to change your child's behavior? Let's explore why this common technique often falls short and discover a more effective approach rooted in understanding and connection. Timeouts can feel like punishment and isolation, especially for young children. This can trigger feelings of abandonment and fear, making them less receptive to learning and more likely to repeat the unwanted behavior. Instead of fostering self-reflection, timeouts often lead to resentment and a breakdown in communication. Children may focus on their anger at being isolated rather than understanding the impact of their actions. Focus on building a strong, secure attachment with your child. When they feel understood and loved, they are more likely to cooperate and learn from their mistakes. Try time-ins instead. When your child is struggling, offer a calm, supportive presence. Help them identify their feelings and find healthy ways to express them. Ask yourself, what need is my child trying to meet with this behavior? Are they seeking attention, feeling overwhelmed, or lacking a specific skill? By understanding the root cause, you can address the underlying issue and teach them more appropriate ways to cope. This proactive approach is far more effective than simply punishing the symptom. Ready to transform your parenting approach? Subscribe for more insights on child psychology and effective discipline strategies. Share this video with other parents and caregivers who might find it helpful. Let's build a community of understanding and support.